Hello, my name is Andriy Kubay and here's my presentation. Microsoft has always been at the forefront of software development, especially when it comes to operating systems. There were dozens of operating systems released for the last 25-30 years. One of them was Windows 8. Today, I will give a brief overview of Windows 8. Then I will focus on new feature, which is Start Screen. Especially, I will talk about its advantages and disadvantages, and in the end, I will discuss some of the applications for Windows 8 which I find very useful. So let me start with Windows 8 and give a little detail of what it is. This operating system was introduced to general public in October 2012. However, the work on it started way before in 2009. Windows 8 was designed to be used with new devices, such as tablets, smartphones, and laptops that incorporated touchscreen technology. It happened after Apple started to conquer tablet and cell phone markets, so Microsoft decided not to stay behind, and 1 year later, in October 2013, they released an updated Windows 0.1, which corrected some bugs and provided some fixes for Windows 8. As compared to previous versions, Windows 8 came with lots of new features, mostly focusing on software and interface. Hardware-wise, Windows 8 added native support for USB 3.0 and faster startup through hybrid boot. As far as software, it offered new and revised features such as Start Screen, Search Engine, Microsoft Account Integration, File Explorer, Internet Explorer, Task Manager, and Touch Keyboard. I'm not going to go over all of the features. Instead, I want to focus on the one that seems to look very different and eye-catching. I'm talking about Start Screen. On the right of the slide, you can see what actually Start Screen looks like. Basically, it consists of a grid of application tiles, which can be arranged into columnar groups. Applications can display dynamic content, notifications, and slideshows, so their views may change. Start Screen also has All Applications tile, which consists of all the applications including system ones. Windows 8 offers standard set of applications which user may modify. These are Mail, People, Message, Calendar, Photos, Music, Video, Camera, SkyDrive, and applications with Bing services. So user can move applications on the Start Screen, add new ones, delete the old ones, set dynamic and other features of applications, and many more. The last two items you see on the slide came originally with Windows 8. However, updated version Windows 8.1 restored Start menu button and gave user the choice what to download first, desktop or Start Screen. When speaking about advantages, it is worth to say that user is able to check latest emails, read news, listen to the favorite music, and many more at a single glance. It's very convenient, especially when using touchscreen devices, laptops, tablets, Windows phones. On the other hand, all Windows users may find it quite challenging to shift between desktop and Start Screen when trying to find appropriate applications. Once on the desktop, user has to go back to Start Screen to locate application, after starting which Windows automatically takes the user back to the desktop, which is not very convenient. Finally, I want to discuss two applications which I find very useful for all Windows 8 users. First one is Google Search. Google Search by far is the #1 web browser in the world. Almost everybody has this application installed in their personal computers, tablets, and cell phones. Google Search helps find required information and requested locations. What's more, it allows to type or speak the queries, which is very good for the cell phone or tablet users. Also, it gives access to other Google tools, such as Gmail and Google Maps. Another application that is widely used is Skype. Skype allows live audio and video conversations, chats, and messaging. Skype runs in the background of operating system to make sure that no important calls are being missed. Also, Skype may be a good substitute for long-distance or international phone calls, especially because it offers cheaper rates and charges less fees than some of the landline or cell phone companies. In conclusion, today I talked to you about Windows 8 and its new features. Especially, I focused on Start Screen and evaluated some advantages and disadvantages. And finally, I discussed two applications for Windows 8 which I find most useful, which are Google Search and Skype. Thank you.